Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide we will give you instructions on how to effectively remove the ransomware called WiKoN. My video, of course, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular WiKoN ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore. The ransomware would be able to encrypt files and to damage them essentially. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware drops several ransomware notes in the TXT file, and it also actually appends a certain extension to the file names. The extension is encrypted. Indeed, the files are encrypted and it is not possible to use them anymore. But there is no point to pay the ransom for file recovery, as the ransomware suggests. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't pay, don't waste the money. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com, and by the way, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser to download Combo Cleaner. Download it, install the program, and then start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Once again, how to start Combo Cleaner: you might need to access Program Files directory, and then after it gets started, click on Start Scan button. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Now, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future. Once again, Combo Cleaner will not decrypt your files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to protect your data.